We've got Cynful Sea Org Blueberry Cobbler going today. We're going to start out by washing those blueberries, get them nice and clean, about 2 pounds worth. Get them good and dry, just kind of shake them off good. And then we're going to take the dry ingredients from your filling, and we're going to mix them all together and then coat these blueberries. Get them good and coated, shake them around. And then pour them into a 9x13 baking dish and spread them out evenly across the bottom of the dish. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of amaretto, which is going to give you a little bit of an almond flavor. It's an almond liqueur. So just kind of 2 tablespoons, kind of sprinkle them over the top of the fruit, just like that. Next, we're going to take our dry ingredients for our topping, put it in the food processor, and we're going to process it just a little bit to get it mixed. Then take your butter, make sure the butter's very cold. We're going to cut it, the whole stick into quarters, and then we're going to cut small slices from those quarters. Just small little pieces is what we want. Just like that. Now we're going to add those pieces to the food processor, the dry ingredients, and process it a little bit so that the pieces of butter are actually about the size of peas. Move the mixture over into a bowl and then add the oatmeal and use your hands to create the crumble. So we're going to kind of crush up that butter, get it kind of sticking, so you get these kind of big chunks of oatmeal and the dry ingredients. Now we're going to sprinkle that mixture over the top of our fruit, just nice and evenly. All over, use all of that crumble over the top. It's going to cover most of it. You barely see some of the berries poking through, just a little bit. We're going to cook it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. And once that's done, we're going to let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes to let those juices all get a little thick. There is a link to a downloadable and printable PDF file in the description, but I'm going to give you the recipe anyway. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful afternoon.